All right, welcome back. As you can see, we got some new toys, tools. This is the TIG 200 and the 210 MP from Lincoln Electric. Today, basically what I want to do is just tell you what I got with this package. I'm not a welder yet. I got this to practice, so I'm not going to go into anything technical. This is basically just going to be an unboxing, and at the end I'll show you how I made this nifty little cart. Stick around. I hope you enjoy. Let's do this thing. All right, we got a couple new toys here I wanted to show you. They're right here. Let me get them over here. I ended up getting these two welders because there was a deal online that I just couldn't pass up. This is the Lincoln Electric 210 MP Power MIG. I know this is a multi-process welder, so it'll do MIG and TIG, but the deal was, so this thing was gonna be like $3 grand, the multi-process, if I got the pedal and all the gadgets and stuff to do the TIG welding. Now this bundle, this garage-pak that Lincoln is offering, gets you the 210 MP and a dedicated TIG 200, plus, hold on, let me grab it, plus this helmet, which is like a $500 helmet, for $3,500. Actually, you pay $4,500, but there's a $1,000 mail-in rebate. So I mean, how could I not? I wanted to get this one anyway. For the extra $500, I got both of them, a helmet, and like a bunch of accessories. Yeah. Let's break into them, I guess. Okay, so here we've got the TIG 200 square wave. This looks like the unit itself. Again, I don't know, I haven't used it, so I don't know what the controls do and whatnot. Just wanted to show you what comes in the box. It comes with, it looks like a stick welding option. This looks like your ground lead to me. This looks like your gas hose. And then you've got the option, which I think is nice, especially if you're just like a homeowner guy like me. The option for 220 and 110. So you've got like your regular outlet and your tombstone or dryer plug. Oh, the 220, the big one. And then this looks like your TIG lead. So that's what you're gonna do the welding with there. And then a foot pedal. It took me a second to figure out what this was. This is a heel. You could attach that if you want to rest your heel on it. I'm assuming that's for guys that are doing this like a whole bunch. And then that looks like you have quite the lead to hook it up. I'll hook all this up when I put it on my little makeshift cart I'm gonna make. Because I don't want it, like, no, never mind. I already mentioned it, but I'm just gonna make a little cart to put it all on so I don't have to. So I'll hook it up once it's there. It'll be easier to mess with before that. And then of course you've got a manual. So that's nice. Yeah, there's I mean, it seems like quality stuff. I will tell you this. Here's your regulator. And mine got a little, oopsie. Got a little squish, but if you saw, I just took some pictures of it. So I'm gonna just send that into them and see if I can't get that replaced. Okay, cool. Let's move on to this guy. 210 MP Power MIG. All right, here we go. Power MIG 210 MP. I have seen this thing used a bit before. Everything's pretty tight. I kind of like it. So, like, I don't have a good understanding of how that works, but I have somewhat of an idea. This is the, like the MIG is what I've used before. So there's your MIG lead with your gun. Looks like another stick lead, another 110, 220 option. Here's another regulator that isn't destroyed. I wonder if I can just use this. I might still try to get the other one. Another ground wire and another gas line. So this looks like, you know what, I don't want to go too much into how this thing works because it's going to take some figuring out for me. But, oh, okay, cool. There we go. There's some wire, and that's where the manual is hiding. Cool. So yeah, there you go. That's what comes in the garage-pak. We're gonna knock out a little cart for this, and we'll show you how we do that.
So this is a super simple build. I basically just made it all out of scrap wood that I had laying around the shop. You'll see the first thing I do is make a couple of platforms where the welders are gonna sit. And here I'm making a few leg assemblies. I think most of this is actually just 2.5 inch wide, 3/4 inch plywood. And you'll see I put a little bit of backer board on the platforms. And here I'm just assembling each side of this. It's gonna be 2 platforms with 2 sides with drawer slides. You can see I'm messing with a drawer slide right there. And I end up installing those on the inside of the leg assemblies, which will make sense in a second. And basically what I did was just try to make 2 drawer assemblies and then just put as much bracing as I could around it so it didn't rack back and forth and side to side. Trying to put this thing together with the slides alone was a little bit tricky, but I wanted to get that width so I could cut some more braces and have them be the right length. Sometimes I make cabinets a little bit either too wide or too narrow, and then the drawers don't slide like they should. Here I just flipped it over, and I've again got some scrap wood. I think this is just like 3/4 by 3/4 inch pieces. I made a little bottom shelf and threw on some caster wheels that I had, ripped them off of a different project. As you can see, the welders fit right in where they should, and the drawers slide in and out. Now, I know it's a little bit tippy right now, but I do plan on having a gas bottle on the backside, so that should counterbalance it.
Friday morning, new look, still can't hide my born. I got a pocket full of change-ups. I switch here, I'm a stranger. Consist on ain't something I could say well. Throw my change into the wishing for a change well. Wish a day is swell like for the next come. And when the next comes, and that it's the best one, like I ain't even gonna try and say that to the next one. Switch my living situation every chance that I be getting sick of running laps on Sisyphus's treadmill. Man, I really need to sit still. Seems like that ain't something I could instill.
Ebb and flow, I can't hold on to you very much longer. Might have to slip away.
All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. If you like these, if you have anything to comment about these for me, let me know in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Get that pencil up out of my nose. Can't hold on a singular pose. Switch from to to fro when the wind gon' blow. And it's hurricane season everywhere that I roam. I like quick fixes and not working at all. Don't switch lanes, drive my car straight off of the road. I got split personalities inside of my soul.